ASUS RT-BE92U setup. 1. Connect the router to power. Plug the router into an electrical outlet and switch it on. Wait until the power LED lights up. 2. Connect the router to the modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the router's WAN Internet port. 3. Connect to the router network. On your computer or mobile device, look for the router's default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and connect to it. The default SSID and password are typically on the router label. 4. Open the router setup page. Open a web browser and go to the router setup URL, usually http://router.asus.com or 192.168.50.1 to access the configuration page. 5. Log into the router interface. Enter the default username and password, often admin, for both. These are also found on the router label. 6. Follow the setup wizard. The setup wizard will guide you through choosing your Wi-Fi name, password, and configuring basic settings. Follow prompts to complete. 7. Secure your network. Change the default router login credentials to a unique username and password to protect against unauthorized access. 8. Save and restart. Save the settings, then reboot the router if prompted, and verify your devices connect correctly to the Internet.